Finley, do you want some chocolate?
This is this is Finley enjoying her first taste of a chocolate candy bar. Hold on. All right. Would you like a piece of chocolate? All right. Mmm. Is that yummy?
Mmm, that is good.
And now, what else are we having to eat? Cheerios.
Cheerios. What are those, What are those, Finley?
Look at how many she's eating at once. What is this?
Can you give some to Elmo?
I'm gonna have some Cheerios. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Can you give Elmo some milk? Thank you.
Thank you, Finley.
All right, wave to Daddy.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.